Alright guys, this is going to be the beam for the sawmill shed. This log is 22 foot long and I will be cutting off some pieces from it. I have leveled it on the mill the way I want it, so I'm going to be taking some cuts off and we're going to get a nice cant out of this. I have the small end closest to the head of the mill, so we're going to get to it. Let's go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another cut off. I'm going to see what my square is going to be from my can. So I'm going to take another cut off of there. I'm just going to take a quick break here and show you guys what this looks like inside. That is beautiful pine log. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful beam. Cuts so nice on this wood miser. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to roll it, because what I want to do is, you guys can see, so now I have a flat side. This has a little bit of a bow to it. So what my goal is to get it 12 inches, at least the cant to be 12 by 16. So I'd like 16 or 14. I think I can get 16 out of this. I got 16 inside the bark there, so we'll see. But yeah, so here we go. But what I'm going to do is roll this. As you can see, that cuts past this last piece. So what I'm going to do is roll this and get this against the flats, and then trim another section. I'm just going to keep rolling it that way. And then when I have a square cant, what I'm going to do is put 4x4s underneath to fill in this gap underneath here. This actually might be more than 4. It's actually, it's 5. So what I'll end up doing is putting a 6x6 underneath. I'll have to go dig out some pieces of wood, and I'll build it up and slide it that way. I'm going to slide it past the mill, and then I'll trim off the end. And then my last cut will be the beam right in the middle. So, all right, this is looking awesome. Let's keep this going. Okay, we're going to roll this thing. So, I'm going to put this on here. Okay, I wrapped the chain around the log, so I'm actually using the cant hook, and I'm turning it slowly by hand because my tractor can't turn it. Buzz, go sit on the tractor. You can't be over here, okay? Sit on the tractor. Just stay there. by little. Little by little. We're getting started. I got pressure off of it. I just need to get more. Should have a bigger can hook. Getting there.
What?
Yeah, he's in muscle brain. Definitely using that muscle. All right, and a little bit of muscle. I have turned this log by myself. I could use a tractor, but I trust it, but I don't. I want to use my knowledge to make sure that this is even. So you guys can see it's pretty much straight, but obviously you can see down here on the flat, it is pretty much even. Every one of them's touching. We're gonna get another cut into this here again. All right, just hold on, I'll set up to cut it. All right, let's go round two. Get up on the tractor. All right, guys. So there you go. There's cut number, what was that, 5? All the way down through. And you can see on this side, this log is a lot bigger. It's kind of cockeyed, but at least 2 6x14 beams will come out of this. I'm super excited about this. So 16 was just overkill. I just want to be able to get something good, but all right, guys. 30 minutes of time, and this is where we're at. This is a beautiful log. But you can see how I'm doing this. So this side here, you can see how it's gonna miss the bed rail right there. So what I'm gonna do is when I turn this, hopefully, what I'm gonna do is get it down on there. I probably will have to cut some of this off here with the chainsaw just so I can get it in. But the nice thing is once I get this rolled, I'll be able to cut some boards off of there. I'll get some 4-footers off the end of this. So, but what I'm gonna do then is once I get this on the flat, I'm gonna scoot the whole log that way down towards the head of the mill. So when I cut it, it's gonna be sticking out the other side. I'm just gonna be coming down and cutting it, coming down and cutting it, and taking off this end. So, but it should slide pretty nice and easy on the bed rails then. So, all right. This will be probably part 1.